my third Essilor Experts workshop, and what I love about it is every time we bring something back to the office.
What I'm most excited about being here is our employees, especially new opticians, getting to have this knowledge shared with them so they can better perform their jobs.
So this is my fourth workshop with Essilor Experts, and at this particular one, we're wanting to dive in a little deeper into the technology behind the Veralux X or the iZen so we can help educate our patients.
The competitive edge that Essilor Experts brings is product knowledge that you can truly bring to the patient to help them understand the why behind your services and your products.
Being in Essilor Experts has helped our practice significantly due to the technology that we gain with Essilor and Essilor lenses, as well as the programs that Essilor Experts puts in place to drive patients into our practice.
I have several new employees, this being their first Essilor Experts workshop, and I'm really excited for them to get to see all that this meeting entails, learning more about product knowledge, but also just learning their teammates. Every eye care practitioner considering coming to an experts meeting should really just do it. The time that you put into this meeting is nothing compared to the information that your staff will gain and bring back to your practice.